Chapter 2: Motions of the Earth. The Earth exhibits two primary motions, rotation and revolution. Rotation is the spinning of the Earth on its axis, causing day and night. Revolution is the Earth's orbit around the Sun, which takes approximately 365.25 days. Today, we are going to learn something very exciting: how our Earth moves. Do you know that the Earth is always moving, even though we can't feel it? Let's begin with the two types of motions of the Earth. 1. Rotation of the Earth. First, let's talk about rotation. Take a top and spin it. It rotates around itself, right? Similarly, the Earth also rotates around an imaginary line called the axis. This axis passes through the North Pole, N, and South Pole, S. It is slightly tilted, not straight. The Earth rotates from west to east, and it takes 24 hours for one complete rotation. This rotation causes day and night. Example, when your part of the Earth faces the sun, it's day. When it turns away, it's night. That's how day and night keep happening every day. Revolution of the Earth. Now comes the second motion, revolution. Earth doesn't just spin on its axis, it also revolves around the sun in a path called its orbit. One complete revolution takes about 365 days and 6 hours. This gives us 1 year. The axis of the Earth is tilted, and it always points in the same direction while revolving. Because of this tilt and revolution, we have seasons. How seasons happen? When one part of Earth is tilted towards the sun, it gets more sunlight and heat, so it is summer there. From 22 March to 23 September, Northern Hemisphere has summer, longer days. Southern Hemisphere has winter, shorter days. From 23 September to 22 March, Northern Hemisphere has winter, Southern Hemisphere has summer. In India, we divide the year into three main seasons: summer, Grishma, rainy, Varsha, and winter, Shishir. Traditionally, we also speak of 6 seasons called the Ritu Chakra, the moon's motion and phases. Let's now talk about the moon. The moon revolves around the earth, and the earth revolves around the sun. The moon doesn't have its own light. We see it because it reflects sunlight. We always see the same side of the moon from earth. Sometimes we see a full moon, sometimes no moon, and other times we see half or curved shapes. These changing shapes are called the phases of the moon. Phases of the moon. The moon's phases go through a cycle. From new moon, we can't see it, to full moon. This is called Shukla Paksha, waxing moon. From full moon to new moon, this is Krishna Paksha, waning moon. This whole cycle takes about 28 to 30 days and is called a lunar month. Each day in this month is called a Tithi. Leap year. Here's an interesting fact. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to go around the sun, but we count only 365 days in a year. So what happens to the extra 6 hours? Every 4 years, those extra hours become 24 hours, each Shawwal 1 day. That's why every 4 years, February has 29 days instead of 28. That year is called a leap year, and it has 366 days. What we have learned: Earth rotates once in 24 hours, causes day and night. Earth revolves around the sun in about 365 days, causes seasons. Tilted axis and revolution create different seasons in different hemispheres. Moon revolves around Earth, causes phases of the moon: new moon, full moon, new moon equals lunar month. Leap year happens every 4 years with 29 days in February.